Hey guys, word of the wise here. I want to talk on the waters that I was speaking on yesterday. And remember, Revelation 17 says, the waters that you saw where the prostitutes are the peoples and the multitudes and the nations. So that's in the trumpets and in the bowls. And when we look into Revelation 8, in the start of the waters being affected, saying like the people, thrown into the sea, where a third of the sea turned blood and a third of the living creatures died. Now we're going to compare that third of the living creatures in the waters dying. And then another burning star fell and landed on the rivers and the springs, a third of them. And the star was wormwood, and bitter like wormwood oil, many people died also from the waters. And the beast is permitted to wage war and have authority over to conquer the saints and the peoples, nations, and tongues. All those who are not written in the book of life. So now let's compare these two side by side, Revelation 8 and 13. So you can see that the waters are being affected in both Revelation 8's second and third angel, and many people dying of that. And in the first part of the beast, in Revelation 13, it comes over the peoples, nations, and tongues. And all those who are not written from the foundation of the world in the Lamb's Book of Life. So that is what I'm trying to point out, is that now when you look at the other trumpets, it speaks about, the beast coming out of the earth. It talks about these other things. So I can go into that later, but I just wanted to point these things out from this first half. So just a word to the wise, guys. Looking at the 5th, 6th, and 7th trumpet is probably speaking on these matters even more of what we have to see coming. So that beast is coming to make war and to conquer. Just a word to the wise, because we can see what's happening over in the Middle East right now. God bless, guys.